Starting a business in 2025 doesn't mean you need a big office, a giant loan, or even a degree. All you truly need is a phone, Wi-Fi, and a solid idea. Here are 5 simple ways to start a small business this year, even with no money or experience. That's right. 1. Sell digital products. Think ebooks, templates, digital planners, made once, sold forever. Platforms like Etsy or Gumroad let you automate selling. 24/7. Use ChatGPT to generate content ideas, and Canva to design then watch it sell. Use AI voices and CapCut to build videos without ever showing your face. Monetize via ads, sponsors, or affiliate links. Number 2. Build a content-based business. Faceless YouTube, voiceover TikToks, Instagram pages with the right niche, finance, investing, money tips. The third method. Offer a simple online service. Can you write, design, transcribe, or edit? Then sell your skills on Fiverr or Upwork? No experience? Learn basic Canva or transcription in a week. Focus on solving problems, and people will pay. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is today. 4th. Resell products. Purchase in bulk or buy low from flea markets and resell online at a profit. Use platforms like Takealot, Gumtree, or Instagram. With just our 500 to start, you can find items that often flip for our 500 or 1,000. Package that into a service like ILL, create 3 faceless AI video ads for your brand. Clients will pay for modern solutions. And 5. Offer AI-based freelance services. Use ChatGPT to write content, Eleven Labs or Murph for voiceovers, and DID for AI avatars. So there you have it, 5 beginner-friendly ways to start a small business in 2025. Pick one method. Don't overthink it. Want more online income tips and finance ideas? Hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.